So you're looking forward to learn and practice JavaScript before moving on to web development, but don't know where to start? Here's how I started. You're welcome.
Okay, so first things first, we're gonna need Visual Studio Code that comes with different versions. If you're on a Windows, you download the Windows version. If you're on a Linux, same thing. If you're on a Mac like me, then download the Mac version and enter. Okay, second, we're gonna need Node.js. Come in here to download section, to the package manager. In here, I select what version I need of Node. I'm gonna select the current version for macOS using NVM. Now the rest of these choices are not essential to know, so just download Node.js using NVM. Now in here we have different commands we have to run in order to successfully install Node.js. So the first command is to download NVM, which is the Node version manager. So let me just copy this, go to my terminal, paste it here, and download it. As you can see, NVM is already installed, so I can proceed. Now I'm gonna install what version of Node.js I'm gonna need. Like if I select that I'm gonna need version 19, it says npm install 19, but I'm gonna stick with the current version to stay up to date. So copy this and come back here. Already installed, now using Node v20. Okay, so the fourth version verifies the right Node.js version in the environment. So I can use this command to make sure that I have the current version of Node. So let me paste it here and enter. As you can see, the version is 22.5.1 as written here, and the version of npm, which is the Node package manager. So let me just copy that and paste it here. My npm version is 10.8.2. Okay, so now I have the VSCode zip file. I just downloaded it. Let me now unzip it. This is the application. Let me open it. Okay, now that I have VSCode, let me just create a new folder here, call it JS, and drag it in here, so that I have the folder on my directory. Now inside this folder, I'm gonna create a file, call it index.js, and write any JavaScript code, console.log. The basic is hello world. Now to debug this code, I'm gonna open the terminal, debug console, and run and debug. Now that I have Node.js installed, I can use it as my debugger. And here we go, hello world. Now if I want to use a variable, name it x equal to 10, add it here, plus x, run and debug, and here we go.
Oh, and by the way, I got the hang of JavaScript through an ebook I downloaded called Eloquent JavaScript. And as for Solelearn's recent update, it became very easy for users to learn and practice JavaScript, as it also offers an online compiler to practice JavaScript programming online. And yeah, it's really good. I even got a certificate.